Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an instrumental sound on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to sing a song, but you want the voice to be cut out. You're going to select your audio here. I can't play it unfortunately for you, but you'll just have to try it yourself. Go to vocal isolation. You're going to then select remove vocal. So if you selected the keep vocal, it's only going to have the vocals only, so just like a cappella, I guess. But if you want to create an instrumental like audio with it, select remove vocal, and that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!